2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, heated rear seats, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.